The city never sleeps. It used to stay, but now it's going to exit retail markets in 13 countries. We are talking about the Citigroup that's shifting its focus now to wealth management and will go away from retail banking in places where it is small. The global financial institution Citigroup will exit 13 global consumer banking markets, including India. Instead, it said it will focus on consumer banking business on 4 markets. There will be hub also: Singapore, Hong Kong, London and the UAE. The move came as Citigroup reported first quarter profits of $7.9 billion, more than 3 times the level in the year-ago period. Revenues were down 7% to $19.3 billion. Other 12 markets affected by decision are China, Australia, Bahrain, Indonesia, South Korea, Malaysia, the Philippines, Poland, Russia, Taiwan, Vietnam. We repeat, it's India, China, Australia, Bahrain, Indonesia, and also other markets as well. In total, South Korea, Malaysia, the Philippines, Poland as well. Citigroup also trounced first quarter profit expectations thanks to a rebound in broader economy and a jump in investment banking activity. The bank reported $7.94 billion in profit, however, triple the $2.54 billion it made last year, as it released funds set aside to cover pandemic loan losses and cashed in on a boom in listed shell company deals, which has boosted underwriting income across Wall Street. Over the past decade, Citigroup's share price return has paled in comparison to that of JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America. While its ongoing operational problems, they have got into hot water with regulators. The bank also felt impact of ultra-low interest rates and cash flush customers that are using debit cards for more purchases and paying off loans. It helped push total revenues down $7.19 billion. Its pre-provision profit, seen as better gauge of bank performance, this quarter was down 18% last year. Much of that was driven by 18% decline in credit card revenue, even as overall credit card sales were up 1%. Net interest revenue, meanwhile, which is difference between interest and bank earns on what it pays on deposits and borrowing, was down 12% from last year. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.